Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best battery-powered nail guns that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Dewalt DCN680B battery-powered nail gun. For most home DIYers, as in homeowners and part-time carpenters. Despite manufacturing a well-established battery-powered nail gun, Dewalt is fab for other cordless tools. As well, fret saws, chop saws, circular saws, and chainsaws too. Its 100% 20 volts battery power and enabled 500 amount of 2.125 brad and finish nails firing per charge will not let you lag. So, why will you cost both hands and legs to find something else next in your stores? Though cordless nailers, especially battery charging nail guns, are quite uncommon to hold this much of nails, even open-headed ones to fire at once. Eliminating the hassle of using pneumatic tools and gas cartridges creates a non-smoky area. Means allowing yourself to accomplish tough roofing, either similar nailing jobs, for instance, casing, decorative molding, kitchen crown, and more as fast as possible. Worrying about nail placement within seconds? Leave the responsibility on its integrated micro nose. Moving on at number 4, we have the Ryobi P325 battery-powered nail gun. Next one is one of the Airstrike models, as well as a battery-powered finish nail gun for prospective users from Ryobi. A package of positive features that we have liked, but less than the first and second ones, so it places itself here. Let's have a highlight. Dual triggers, one switch to lock off, on, and another for activating bright LED lights. A lower nail indicator, which possibly shows the nails amount after usage to prevent dry firing. Moreover, saves you from self-fatigue accidents and your nailing work surfaces as well. Speaking of the identification of air pressure, we have customized by switching it on the back to increase nail depth reaching. These features you may think so. Want more? Well, when it is time to nailing on hardwoods, it never slipped backward. Else, you can free up front-end jam by simply flipping out. But one drawback is that its compatibility with only self-brands may intend to step backward from buying it. At number 3, we have the VonHaus 9,100,100 nail gun powered by battery. Another famous brand, known for its reliable manufacturing with a battery-powered nail gun. Being heavyweight and powerful, useful for furniture attachment, gardenware, homeware, and more, except for hardwood surfaces. Want to make yourself stand out from the crowd by using an uncommon nailer? Go ahead with its reinforced 2-in-1 ergonomic soft grip. Besides, more than enough easy magazine and its loading mechanism, beyond your imagination. Both 500 brad and staple nails at the same time, while you can fire 20 nails per minute. Quite effortless and time saver, even with 2 Li-ion battery, right? On top of that, working with several soft materials features an adjustable impact control. Means to better firing speed and with a jam-free mechanism. Quite fab for considering safety contact, even if you run after other well-established brands. So, no chance of misfiring yet, that is what we have experienced. At number 2, we have the Neumaster NTC0023 rechargeable staple gun. Owned a battery-powered nailer, but searching for a staple gun as per your need. What will you do if we recommend one that works well like 2-in-1 at the same time, even at your tight budget? Hope you will not wait for the second chance, right? Integrated spiral drive technology in NTC0023 enhances 400 nails compatibility for the fastest shooting, whether it does up to 1100 nails per charge. Featuring tool-free nail jammers means an auto nose cleaner will take down the issue. Though the entire system runs off a full 3 Li-ion battery, it works better than others lying around batteries. While you turn it on, remember to check that the nailer has crown staples or brad nails optimized for your particular nailing jobs. Even a misfiring can happen. Hold the ergonomic handle for fastening decoration trim and keep going to the hardest spaces. As well, a pair of LED lights will illuminate the working area, and a non-marring rubber nose will save itself from scratching on walls. Relaxing now? Get the belt hook and tuck it anywhere. And finally at number 1, we have the Porter-Cable PCC790LA cordless nail gun. Next is the Porter-Cable PCC790LA, for a good reason though the brand itself is well enough for turning you to purchase it. This 100% battery-powered PCC790LA is one of the top-notch cordless tools examples, though it will cost a little more than previous models. Comes with a multifunctional pair of LED lights. As well, make you comfy by illuminating your working area, even if you are trying to reach dim and cramped trim areas for nailing. Messing around, like an entire 20 volts cordless nail gun, would never happen, instead of using a pneumatic or gas-powered nailer. The battery is powerful for hard jobs, even compatible with other branded batteries of similar qualities. The unit optimizes center gravity and becomes lightweight while applying on hardwood and carrying to a longer distance. Such an ergonomic feature you can take advantage of, likewise reducing user fatigue by repositioning it from multiple sides for installing sheets of insulation sheets. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.